treating fevers in homeopathic practice is one of the mainstays, because if you can treat fevers effectively, then your practice gets established very fast. Especially this is for the young homeopaths. And when you are in your advanced stages of practice, treating complicated fevers will have you an edge above others. And when we start our clinics, fresh graduate homeopaths, the patients generally walking in will be small children with upper respiratory tract infections and fevers. In most of the cases, they are viral, and if we can treat them by exactly diagnosing what the patient is having, then it is a cakewalk in your practice. Now, what do you see in fevers? For a young homeopath, it is very important that you should be clinically sound in your method of diagnosing what the patient is having. If you find something which is not within your clinical acumen, it is very advisable to investigate the patient and to know what you are treating. For a homeopath within you, it is something very essential that you look at those symptoms which do not match the typical diagnostic pattern of the case. This is what generally an allopath would do. Allopath would see and put the patient into diagnosis and look at the common symptoms. But when you are seeing a case of fever, you look at something which is not fitting the diagnosis. For example, the behavior of the child during the illness, the pattern of presentation of fever. It can be with a chill and then the fever and then the thirst, or the thirst and the heat, then the chill stage, or a particular part of the body which is warm and particular part which is cold, and so many things. Basically, you will be always trying to focus on something which is so unique that does not match the common symptoms of the diagnosis. If you are able to trace a picture which gives you the exact similarium in the materia medica, if given in a right dose, the remedy works magic. That is the most important key in treating fevers. All this about understanding fevers has been compiled in a book, Conquering Fevers with Homeopathy. And this is my clinical experience of last 22 years, how it has helped me to treat majority cases of fevers. How to see a case of fevers, what to observe, what investigations, and how to handle complicated fevers is the exact content of the book. This book gives you an in-depth idea to a young as well as an advanced homeopath how to handle cases of fevers. This book is getting unveiled on the 20th of January at a mega seminar in Pune. So I wish to see you all there at the unveiling of this book on 20th Jan 2018. Welcome you there.